How to enable autoplay on Disney Plus. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on autoplay on your Disney Plus. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. Now what you'll need to do is open up your Disney Plus. And after you do so, you will see your profile option on the bottom right. Just tap on your profile. After you tap on it, you will see the edit profiles section. Tap on edit profiles. After you do that, simply choose your profile. And after you choose your profile, you will be redirected to edit profile section. Now right under there, you should see autoplay option. Now enabling autoplay will enable you to play the next video in a series automatically. So just toggle that button on and that will basically enable your autoplay on your Disney Plus. So after you toggle it on and press on done on the top right, you are basically done. Now you can simply watch a video and the next video will play right after the video ends. So yeah, that is how you do it guys, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.